So a buddy of mine has a Mastercam seat, so I've been playing around with this solid modeling, and now I've done my first try at programming part that's a solid model, and hopefully I'm going to be able to actually machine this Tomahawk, because from what I hear it doesn't grind very well at all. So here's an experiment with programming it to cut everything. That's what it's going to look like when it's all done. It's not even going to start out as a solid like this. It's going to be a water jet cut part, but I will still cut the perimeter and most of the pockets, though not all of them. So let's give it a go, see what happens. Let me change a couple of things here. So right now it's cutting all the pockets. Once the pockets are done, it's chamfering everything, all the sharp edges. From there it'll go to cutting the actual profile, and you'll be able to see that it leaves a chamfer there in green. From there we'll start cutting the bevel. So there it's roughing that bevel in. From here it'll move to a different tool and finish the bevel. Again, I don't know if any of this is going to work. I've never done anything like this before. I kind of did this bevel thing on a Fotuki, but I was not able to program it with this method. I actually had to program each one of those lines individually, whereas this I'm able to program off of the solid model. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully there's a bevel there. Again, hopefully this material actually cut. It's armor plate, so I don't know how it's going to machine. From here it does the false edges with a big old chamfering tool, and that's it. So we'll keep that, and that should be what that part looks like. We can move it around in 3 dimensions, take a look at it. There's the spike. Now we've only cut one side, of course. There'll be a couple of tooling holes in here too that are used to fixture the whole thing. Pretty cool, I think. I don't know how cool the Tomahawk is, but learning how to do this stuff is pretty cool. It looks like I've got a expensive software purchase in my future. I can't be running over to my buddy's shop all the time to fart around with this stuff. Anyhow, there it is. Thought it was cool.